Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Fox Mini Ka Folding Karambit, available at knifecenter.com. At Knife Center, we love discreet pocket knives, and you're going to have a hard time finding a knife more low profile than Fox Knives' Italian-made Mini Ka. What has impressed us so much about this mini karambit is how well built this compact package is. It's certainly small, but it's anything but chintzy. Coming in at an overall open length of 3.15 inches, with a 1-inch 440 stainless steel blade, the Mini Ka is designed to take up the least amount of space possible. This makes it perfect for keeping on your keyring and taking everywhere. If your keyring is crowded enough as it is, this knife also utilizes a steel pocket clip to help it ride high in the pocket. Whether you use it for opening boxes or in a self-defense situation, the small hawkbill blade comes with plenty of cutting performance to tackle almost any task that you would need a utility knife to handle. The FRN handle scales are shaped ergonomically, and even if you have larger hands, you can still get a comfortable enough grip. The liner lock makes for a secure lockup and is simple to disengage for closing. It also comes in multiple color options, so you're sure to find something that fits your day-to-day aesthetic. If you're looking for something that can do the little everyday tasks that get thrown your way while taking up the least amount of space, or if you just want to get a cool gift for the knife enthusiast in your life, you can find these Fox Mini Kas over at knifecenter.com. If you're interested in getting your hands on a Fox Mini Ka Folding Karambit, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to keep up with all of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit the original and largest online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com. Check back often for any updates on deals we are running on the best knives and tools on the web.